Navigating the unexpected. Understanding, that's a curveball. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in conversations or movies. That's a curveball. This expression is rich in meaning and rooted in a very interesting origin. Stick around as we unpack its meaning, usage, and how you can incorporate it into your everyday English to sound more like a native speaker. The term curveball comes directly from the sport of baseball. In baseball, a curveball is a type of pitch that is thrown with a specific grip and wrist motion, causing the ball to move in a curved path as it approaches the batter. It's tricky to hit because of its unexpected motion, making it a favorite technique among pitchers to outsmart batters. Translating this into everyday language, when someone says, "That's a curveball," they're referring to a situation, question, or problem that is unexpected or tricky to handle, much like the baseball pitch. It's a metaphor for something that comes out of left field, another baseball term, and catches you by surprise. Now that we understand where the phrase comes from, let's look at some examples of how it can be used in everyday conversation. 1. Unexpected situations. Imagine you're planning a picnic and suddenly it starts snowing in April. You might say, "Wow, that's a curveball," because the snow was unexpected and complicates your plans. 2. Tricky questions. If you're in a job interview and the interviewer asks a question you did not anticipate, you could think to yourself, "That's a curveball," because the question was more challenging or surprising than you expected. 3. Life changes. When life throws you a sudden change, like a sudden job offer in a different country, you might describe the situation to a friend as a real curveball, indicating it's an unexpected opportunity that requires careful thought and decision-making. Using phrases like, "That's a curveball," can add color to your conversations and help you express complex feelings or situations succinctly. Here are some tips on using it effectively. Context is key. Use it in situations that are genuinely surprising or challenging. It's perfect for informal settings and conversations. Tone of voice. This phrase can be used in both a light-hearted and serious context, depending on your tone. Practice saying it with different inflections to match the situation you're describing. Combine with other expressions. Feel free to mix it with other idiomatic expressions or slang for a richer expression. For instance, "I was expecting a straightforward meeting, but the new policy discussion was a curveball." We hope this exploration of the phrase, "That's a curveball," has been enlightening and entertaining. English is a language full of interesting idioms and expressions derived from various aspects of culture, including sports. Using them correctly can not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you better express emotions and situations in conversation. Remember, language learning is a journey full of surprises, much like a game of baseball. Keep practicing, and don't let the curveballs throw you off your game. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.